think about being a man, yeah, about rebelling your life. If you was under the top, I'm saying like in the ground, you are under the ground. You'd like fucking just keep working all day, fucking keep working for 2 years, and you could be a fucking man who has an empire. You could feel fucking. It's all about rebuilding your life. It's all about build momentum. Do the same things every single day and improving it every single day. It's all about that. So keep in mind, guys, that whatever I see, whatever I hear, whatever I don't know, but I will keep going. So remind yourselves too that whenever you feel that you are fucking doubted and this isn't gonna work, remind yourself that it's gonna work. Even so, even a lot of problems appears. That's a lot of people like have this mentality that when you have a lot of money that problems will be less. No, it's not gonna be less. It's the more your money, the more money you have, the more influence you have, the more fame you have, the more problem you have. And you should be able to deal with it. You should be able to deal with it. You should be a man that can solve problem. If you love a girl and you can solve a problem, why are you fucking with a relationship in her? You should be fucking able to solve these problems. It's your role as a man. It's your role as a man to be fucking amazing. It's your role as a man to be fucking the main character. You heard me? Keep working, guys. That's all I know. I don't fucking care what other people say. You are exceptional. You need to fucking be exceptional. You need to deal with things as an exceptional. So deal with it as a man, not as a fucking girl. Fucking dipshit. So fucking be a man. That's all I want to say here. I hear a lot of times people say you're fucking crazy, you're fucking out of your mind, you're doing nonsense. This isn't gonna work. But do I look like I fucking care? No! I'm a fucking G! I'm a G! I don't fucking care what other people say. I don't fucking care. I keep working all day. Look at this. This is all my work. Look at this. Here. I was writing the notes. I never give up. And I will never give up. I will never give up. That's my concept. That's my prospects in life. I don't fucking care what other people say. I will keep moving. I will keep doing the same things every single day and improving until I make it. Remember what I say here. It's the 26th February 2025. I will be a fucking millionaire in the fucking 6 years later or 5 years. I don't fucking care how much it take, but I will be a millionaire. I will be a millionaire. Just keep remind. I will do it. It's not just a dipshit talking. I know for sure I'm doing. I know for sure. Look at this. Look at my screen here. Look at my screen. This is Iman Ghazi. This is Charlie Morgan here. This is a course. It's a 18-hour course. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at all the tabs open here. Look all the tabs. Look. This is all work. It's not. There is nothing. Just work. This is our mindset. As a man, as a human being, we should work. We should evolve. We should build empire. You hear me?